Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Share Alive from Eva, and today in this video I would like to show you how to convert 3 items into a crossbody bag. First of all, as you see, this little cute lipstick case that I got actually from Chanel Beauty. When I purchased 4 lipstick, it's a complimentary gift, and you can look at how cute it is. And it has a zip around, and inside has a little mirror at the top, so ideally it can fit 4 lipsticks. But I have actually tried on, I can actually put my airport small item, 1 lipstick. This Chanel limited lipsticks case is only launched in January 2023, and only some country has. Australia does have this, and when you purchase 4 lipsticks in the range of the velvet set, and you will get this gift. Let's look at some model shooting after I convert this little mini lipstick case. Doesn't it look good? For the cost of the lipsticks of 4 is about 260 Australian dollars. But as you all can see, the size is same. It's quite same as the Chanel mini opus vanity that I got on the right hand side. But the sizing is really actually same as those small vanity that I got. A little opus. So I reckon it's such a great deal. When you purchase 4 lipstick, you get this case, and you can convert it into crossbody bag. I hope you guys like this idea, and as Chanel has price increased so much nowadays, and probably in each year they have 1 or 2 price increase, sometimes 3. So I just try to give you guys some interesting idea to convert something into a practical or a useful things. So I hope you guys really like the content that I create, and I'll be showing you guys the next item that I'm going to convert. This is the second item that I would like to show you. Is I actually got it from this season 23P, and this is an XL, which is an extra large size of card holder in a flap style. And as you can see, the CZ logo is so beautiful, and interior is in the pink lining. So I actually use small insert to put inside with the 120 cm leather chain strap to use it as a strap that match my body size. So you can see the outlook of it. The price of this XL flap card holder is cost 1,060 Australian dollars. And the most beautiful part is the front CZ logo is in mesh design. The third items that I would like to convert is a long wallet. A Chanel long wallet, which is the flat one as well. It's not the blindfold one. And since the flat one, I can put my iPhone 13 Pro inside perfectly. So it looks like a wallet on chain. Basically, it's so simple to convert this long wallet into a crossbody bag or chain bag. Let me open up to show you. I just placed the insert at the back section here, and the chain that I'm using is 120 cm. You can choose the length that you like. I'm 158 cm tall, so 120 of the length is perfect for me, and it doesn't really affect the size of the wallet. Even you put your phone in this section and have some cuts at the back, it wouldn't affect the the space too much. And it's in a snap button, so just press here. And I will be showing you guys some model shooting afterwards, so you can have a look whether you like the complete look of converting this wallet into a crossbody bag. The price of this long wallet is 1,860 Australian dollars, and this wallet is from 23C Seasons. And there is another news that I would like to update, as Chanel just has price increase on the 2nd of March 2023. And here are the pricing after the price increase and from the pricing going up to the new pricing. So here are the reference. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and leave your comments below. And if you have any comments, please leave it for me, and please follow my IG as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.